Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the board frame by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera. Next, disconnect and take out the 4-in-1 rear camera unit. Next, pull out the macro, depth, ultra wide and wide cameras from the bracket. Replace the broken camera with a new one, and then place it on the bracket. Next, secure the rear camera module by connecting all 4 plugs. Next, secure the new front camera by connecting the plug. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, add the board frame by adding 10 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.